Placed you in my life.
Placed you in my life.
A sister to me. From now to eternity, I thank God for your life.
For your life.
There will be times when you are hurt and in need. And I thank God for you, my family, yeah, yeah.
For me and my family,
For my family,
for the times that we've shared,
for the times we
the many
shared,
tears that we've cried as one.
yeah, yeah.
For the joy that I feel when I see you,
Ooh, yeah.
a love that none can take away. And after all that's said and done,
All that's said and
when the
done,
world has carried on,
word is carried on,
to
yeah.
know that you're still there. It's a blessing from God to having you in my
You in
life.
my life, yeah.
My family, you and me.
My brother and my friend, I love you till the end. You mean so much to me.
You mean so much
Yes,
to
you
me.
do.
You mean so much to me.
You're my strength when I am down. I praise God that you're around. Forever we will be
Forever we will be
family.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
the world has turned their back on
from our family to yours.
Yeah, yeah.